Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Juan Acuna.
Hi everyone, welcome back and a very good Monday afternoon to you. Take a look at this. This is our live Skycam network over on SPID, and as our floor crew just said, our floor director I should say, Sean Manning, it's a beautiful day out there. As we look at the sunset right now, it is just absolutely gorgeous out and about. Look at that as we see the sunset occurring. Moving on over to our Nissan Automotive 6th WeatherBug off in Kingsville along Highway 77. Continue to have clear skies. Temperatures are into the lower 60s and a light northerly wind at only 8 miles an hour. Northeasterly at 7. As we look at our Aztec Chevrolet 6th WeatherBug off in Beeville right there, lower 60s, pretty nice. And start to see some of those little high clouds that are starting to move in. So what's next for us here? What's ahead? We're in for a clear night. That's going to lead to chilly and cold conditions for us here. In fact, most of us will be dropping into the upper 30s, especially the inland areas, coastal regions into the lower 40s. Still sunny on Tuesday, but it is going to be rather cool out there. And we will be warming up with the temperatures back into the lower 80s, believe it or not, as we head on into Thursday and on into Friday as well. But we are keeping an eye on the next frontal boundary that is expected to arrive on Saturday. Temperatures outdoors right now are into the upper 50s to lower 60s near the coastline. Our water temperature at 57 out at the Packery Channel, but ranging to 63 in Beeville, 62 in Alice, and 64 off in Falfurrias, with the winds out of the north-northeast or north-northwest, I should say, going around 5 to 10 miles an hour. A little bit breezier along the coastline, but still not bad at all. We continue to have small craft advisories in effect for the offshore water, so boaters and mariners use caution. That'll be in effect for about another hour or so, or half hour, I should say. With the evening forecast looking like this, we'll start to pick up some of those higher level clouds as we head into tonight, but still it's going to be mainly clear out there as the temperatures start to dip into the lower 50s as we head towards the midnight time frame with northeasterly winds around 5 to 10 miles an hour. Forecast lows for this evening will be into the middle to upper 40s along the coast. We'll look for 39 here in Corpus Christi, and being a little bit bold there, we'll look for the clear skies to help with that, and into the upper 30s for all of our inland locations. You can see we don't have a whole lot to show you here on our satellite radar composite, but they're the high clouds off to the west of us as high pressure is in control of the entire Lone Star State at this point. The frontal boundary is well off into the Gulf of Mexico and even high pressure up to the north. Notice the white lines that you see here. We call those pressure gradient lines, and the farther those are apart, the lighter the winds are. So look at all these white lines going up into the Pacific Northwest. That is a huge storm system. There is a lot of wind associated with it as well. That'll be paying us a visit as we go on in late into the weekend and on into early next week. But we have a couple little disturbances that are off here into the central and northern plains that will eventually send a weak cold front in our direction as we head into the first part of the weekend. But it's going to be very weak in nature. You can see temperatures where we have the latest upper level low is up into the Pacific Northwest and near the Great Lakes area. So that's where the coldest temperatures are. A good portion of the United States is cold. And as we look at the future tracker, as we go on into Wednesday, we have a little disturbance that's going to move just to the south of us. That's going to throw extra cloud coverage our way and only a stray sprinkle, but after that we get more of a zonal flow, everything going from west to east. That'll help warm temperatures up, and then there come a couple of disturbances going on into Friday and on into Saturday, and that's what's going to send that weak cold front in our direction. So sunny for tomorrow, still cool, below normal temperatures. As we look at the future trackers, still mainly clear for tonight and going on into tomorrow afternoon, but on Wednesday that's when we start to see those increase in that cloud coverage for us here. So as we take a look at our NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, there it comes right there. As we look for tomorrow, pretty nice day, 65 there after starting off cold, but warming up Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Our first weak front comes on Saturday, but a stronger one with scattered showers on Monday of next week. Lee.